Hello everyone, this is Amanda Ray coming to you with a video about how to earn $150 per day utilizing a done-for-you funnel, and I'm extremely excited today. We have a training that takes place in the next 10 minutes for all of my platinum members. We just started the group about a little bit less than 3 months ago, and we are currently at 950 members. We're looking to reach 1,000 members by the end of the week, and it is extremely exciting. What I'm going to do is show you guys proof of the system that I've been using. For those that don't know, my name is Amanda Ray. I am a single mom of 2, and I've been working from home since 2016, utilizing online marketing and showing others how to do the same. If you would have told me years ago that this is what I would have been doing and I would have had more time to spend with friends and family, I would have been like, you're right. But it actually works if you have the right program and you know what you're actually doing. You have the right sponsor, you can make a lot of money online, and it is extremely simple and easy to do. What we do is we use a duplicatable system. The group that I created was called Freedom Takers. I created this group because it's something that I wanted when I was looking for ways to earn money online, someone to give me step-by-step of what to do in order to be successful online. And what I noticed is that you can get a lot of sponsors and people tell you how much you can make. They don't actually show you the way to make the money, exactly the steps that you need in order to be successful. And that's what I wanted to do, because I know that people can earn money online if they just had the right system in place. They knew exactly what to do, and it was a system that's duplicatable, is going to allow people to leverage the opportunity. So really quick, going into my email, I like to show people proof. I'm using a system called the Power Lead system. For those that don't know, the Power Lead system is a funnel that allows you to earn unlimited amounts of commissions by utilizing the system. And if you've been in it before, like I have, back in 2015, I didn't know nothing about it. I didn't know how to use it. I was totally lost and clueless. Coming back and looking at it now, if I would have known what to do with it back in 2015, I would have made a ton of money by now. But I'm not going to cry over spilt milk, because now I've been in the program since the beginning of October, and I've been getting paid consistently week after week after week after week. Just going back to January 6th, I'm going to show you guys some results. I had a fast start bonus that came in on the 6th. For those that don't know, that's a platinum commission, which is a $400 commission that you receive when somebody comes all in to the opportunity. Okay, you pay a platinum commission of $497 one time, and it allows you to get unlimited $400 commissions. So I paid my platinum commission about a couple of months ago, and I've been receiving tons and tons of fast start bonuses. Okay, if you just want to actually see how many I've actually earned over the last just couple of months or weeks, it's just amazing. I mean, going back to just November, I mean, look at this, guys. Like, one is coming in at least every day or every other day, sometimes a little bit more time in between. But as you can see, it's really consistent. In the month of December, I had, wow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 fast start bonuses for just paying the platinum commission one time. These are $400 commissions, guys. Sometimes people can split the payments up. If you can't afford it all at once, you can pay $300 one month and $300 the next month. But for the most part, most people are paying the $400 and just the $500, and they're getting it out the way. Just January 3rd, I had 3 of them come in. January 6th, the day before yesterday, I had a fast start bonus, and then yesterday alone, I had 2 fast start bonuses. So, that's just to go to show you how consistent it is utilizing the system. You pay one time, and you're able to earn unlimited commissions utilizing this program. Going back to the 6th, I had 2 gold members. That's $40. I show people how to run and utilize cold traffic and turn those into sales and signups on a consistent basis. On the 7th, which was yesterday, I had a $100 commission come in. 2 fast start bonuses. That's a total of $600 there. I had a diamond member come in today. That's $100 commission. 5 gold members today, guys. That's $100 commission and residual income. The system that I use, I'm going to just show you guys what it looks like. It's called the Power Lead system. And, you know, like I said, I've used it before. I didn't know what to do with it. Coming back now, using a done-for-you funnel. If you don't want to set it up, you can actually pay $50 and we'll set the funnel up for you. It's really simple, something that we can do within 48 hours. Or if you want to do it yourself, there is a step-by-step tutorial on exactly how to set the funnel up. So it's really exciting. And, you know, I'm just happy that I'm involved in this program, and you know, it's really just exciting. Okay, just going into my prediction report, it just shows how much I made over the last few weeks or so. And the beginning of December, I had a commission of $1,762 that came in. That was one of my biggest weeks yet. We had a lot of people that came in right before Christmas, which was completely mind-blowing because you wouldn't think people would get involved right before Christmas. The week after that, an $874 commission I received, again, right before Christmas. Right after Christmas, I received a $700 commission, $693 commission. And like I said, guys, it's extremely doable to receive these type of commissions over and over and over and over again. Okay, so if you're looking to make a consistent income online, you're looking for a program that actually works, I highly recommend the Power Lead system. Being online since 2015, I had my first breakthrough online the end of 2016. I've never seen anything that allowed me to bring in commissions this quickly and this consistently. So, you know, if you're looking for something that's consistent, this is definitely where you want to be. You want to get in as high as you can so that you don't leave any money on the table. And you want to just get involved in our Facebook group. Send over a request to join our Facebook group. It's called Freedom Takers. This is what it looks like. And I'll be glad to give you access to just see some of the great things that we have and the people that are earning consistently online. It's just amazing. So thanks so much for viewing my video. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed to my channel, and I'll speak to you again tomorrow. Have a good night.